Welcome back, my friends. Today we are going to make candied rose petals. Roses forever have been a symbol of love and beauty, and decorated and flavored desserts with roses are just amazing. A lot of people don't realize that candied rose petals are so delicious. One of the most amazing desserts that I have ever eaten in my life is the Persian love cake, and I'll leave a link to the recipe to that at the end of this. It is amazing. So the first recipe that I ever found for candied rose petals involved taking each petal and coating it with a paintbrush and then taking tweezers and dipping it through the sugar. And I thought, oh my gosh, there has got to be an easier way. So this is my little technique and it works perfectly, and you can make a lot of rose petals a lot quicker this way. We're making candied rose petals now. We have our rose petals, baker's sugar, and an egg white. And then for drying out the rose petals, you'll either need a dehydrator or a cookie sheet, although I do prefer the dehydrator. So these are the roses that I'm going to use. Oh my God, they smell so good. They're gonna taste delicious. Next, we want to pull out all the rose petals and just check for bugs, because these are organic, so there could be bugs. Don't want those in the cake. So now I'm going to whisk one egg white until it's light and foamy. Usually one egg white will do a lot of rose petals. So I'm going to put them all in a bowl, shake them up, and then one by one I'm going to be wiping off any excess egg white. If you have too much egg white on your rose petals, they'll be really thick and they tend to hold too much sugar. Now, petal by petal, they go on the dehydrator. Until I have this full. Now you can also set them on a cookie sheet with parchment paper underneath and let them sit for 8 hours. See what happens if you have too much egg white? These have been dehydrating for about 2 hours. And, oh, hear that? And then I store my rose petals in a sealed glass container. And if you want a recipe for a Middle Eastern rose flavored dessert, here is the link. It is the most amazing thing you'll ever eat, I promise. So if this is your first time to make rose petals, let me know what you think and if you liked them. Have a great day.